Imagine a world where every financial transaction is recorded on an immutable ledger that can't be tampered with, no more middlemen, no more delays. This isn't some distant sci-fi dream, it's happening right now through blockchain technology. And it's not just about cryptocurrencies. This quiet revolution is reshaping everything from asset tokenization to decentralized finance. How does this affect you? It means faster transactions and greater financial inclusion, empowering anyone with a smartphone. But how exactly will these changes unfold in the coming years? What challenges lie ahead for traditional banks and investors? This video dives into the transformative power of blockchain beyond the buzzwords, revealing why it matters to your finances today and tomorrow. Asset tokenization is streamlining financial processes by reducing intermediaries. With blockchain's transparency and immutability, traditional settlement procedures that once required multiple parties for verification can now be simplified significantly. Consider how this technology has already been applied in various sectors to cut down on middlemen. For instance, real estate transactions through tokens have reduced the need for brokers and lawyers, making settlements faster and more efficient. Blockchain's distributed ledger technology ensures secure trading of assets while recording these transactions simultaneously across multiple locations. This not only enhances security, but also accelerates transaction speeds. As we delve further into how blockchain is transforming traditional finance, we'll explore its impact on financial inclusion through decentralized finance platforms like Ethereum. Joseph Lubin, co-founder of Ethereum, emphasizes that beyond its speculative aspects, blockchain technology holds transformative potential for global finance. Asset tokenization on platforms like Ethereum can streamline financial processes by eliminating intermediaries and reducing settlement complexities through transparency and immutability. Consider how DeFi applications built on Ethereum are already disrupting traditional banking services by offering decentralized lending and borrowing options to anyone with a smartphone. These innovations not only enhance financial inclusion, but also provide secure ways for trading assets, recorded simultaneously across multiple locations using distributed ledger technology. This shift underscores the broader implications of blockchain in reshaping financial systems worldwide, setting the stage for further exploration into how these technologies are redefining finance at its core. Decentralized ledger technology, or DLT, offers a secure way to trade assets by recording transactions simultaneously across multiple locations. This ensures that every participant has an identical copy of the transaction ledger at all times, enhancing transparency and reducing fraud. In traditional finance, asset trading often involves intermediaries like brokers and custodians, which can slow down processes and increase costs. With blockchain, these middlemen are eliminated, leading to more efficient transactions. Consider how Ethereum's smart contracts automate and secure financial agreements without the need for a third party. This technology is already transforming industries by reducing settlement times from days or weeks to mere seconds. As we see this shift towards decentralized finance, it becomes clear that DLT's impact on asset trading is not just about speed, but also about security and trust. Looking ahead, let's explore how blockchain can further disrupt traditional financial systems through innovations like DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, leverages smart contracts on blockchains like Ethereum to innovate traditional finance. These smart contracts automate transactions without needing intermediaries, streamlining processes such as settlement and reducing operational costs significantly. Consider how asset tokenization is transforming financial systems. Blockchain's transparency and immutability eliminate the need for middlemen, making trading more efficient. One striking case is the potential of DeFi to enhance financial inclusion. Anyone with a smartphone can access decentralized finance services, bypassing traditional banking barriers. This innovation not only democratizes finance, but also opens up new opportunities for global economic participation. As we explore further into Web3 capabilities, it becomes clear that this technology is poised to reshape our understanding of how financial systems operate. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is transforming how we think about financial inclusion. With just a smartphone, anyone can access financial services that were previously out of reach for billions worldwide. Consider this: in regions where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking, people now use cryptocurrencies to send and receive money securely without the need for intermediaries like banks. This technology doesn't just stop at sending payments, it extends into asset tokenization, allowing users to trade assets with unprecedented ease. DeFi platforms leverage smart contracts on blockchains such as Ethereum, enabling a more transparent and secure financial ecosystem. This shift is not just about convenience, it's about empowering individuals who were previously excluded from the formal financial system. As we move forward, let's explore how these technologies are changing the landscape of global finance, particularly in developing economies where access to traditional banking services remains limited. Blockchain's transparency supports regulatory compliance by providing an immutable ledger that tracks every transaction. This feature eliminates discrepancies and ensures accuracy across financial systems. Take asset tokenization, for instance. It streamlines processes like settlement, reducing complexity and the need for intermediaries. Joseph Lubin highlights how Ethereum's blockchain can transform global finance through its secure and transparent nature. By recording transactions in multiple places simultaneously, distributed ledger technology, DLT, enhances security and trust. This transparency makes it easier to comply with regulatory requirements because every transaction is traceable and verifiable. As we explore further into the integration of blockchain within financial systems, let's delve into how decentralized finance is reshaping traditional banking practices. Blockchain's tokenization of assets is quietly revolutionizing global trade by streamlining processes and eliminating intermediaries. Take real estate as an example. Instead of cumbersome paperwork and lengthy settlements, blockchain allows property to be divided into tokens that can be traded instantly on a digital ledger. This transparency reduces fraud and speeds up transactions significantly. In fact, the efficiency gains from this technology are so substantial that they could cut costs by millions in traditional financial processes. Consider how DeFi platforms use smart contracts to automate these trades, making global commerce more accessible than ever before. Anyone with an internet connection can now participate in a secure and transparent trading ecosystem, enhancing financial inclusion worldwide. As blockchain continues to integrate into finance, we'll see even more innovative applications emerge, further transforming the landscape of global trade. Smart contracts are revolutionizing how financial transactions occur on blockchains by automating processes that were once manual and prone to errors. These self-executing agreements automatically enforce terms of a contract when predefined conditions are met. For instance, in decentralized finance, DeFi, smart contracts can facilitate lending and borrowing without the need for traditional banks or intermediaries. This not only speeds up transactions, but also reduces costs significantly. Consider how Ethereum's blockchain has become a hub for DeFi applications, where users can access loans, trade assets, and even earn interest on deposits, all powered by these automated agreements. The efficiency gains are substantial. Blockchain's transparency and immutability eliminate the need for intermediaries, streamlining processes like settlement and verification. As we delve deeper into this transformative technology, it's clear that smart contracts have set a new standard in financial transactions, ensuring they're both secure and seamless. Blockchain technology is quietly transforming financial systems by offering a secure and transparent foundation. Asset tokenization stands out as one of its most impactful applications, streamlining processes like settlement and reducing reliance on intermediaries. This efficiency gains traction in various sectors, from trading to asset management. Consider Ethereum's role. Joe Lubin highlights how the platform can revolutionize global finance beyond speculative investments. Its smart contracts enable decentralized financial systems that innovate traditional banking services without needing a central authority. This transparency and security not only enhance trust, but also foster financial inclusion. Anyone with a smartphone gains access to sophisticated financial tools, democratizing opportunities previously out of reach for many. As we delve further into these advancements, it becomes clear how blockchain's influence extends beyond finance into broader economic landscapes. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing access to financial services by removing traditional barriers. Anyone with a smartphone can now participate in complex financial activities that were once reserved for banks and large institutions. Take asset tokenization as an example. It transforms illiquid assets into tradable tokens on the blockchain, making them accessible globally without intermediaries. This not only simplifies processes like settlement, but also reduces costs significantly. Financial inclusion is a key benefit of DeFi platforms. According to recent studies, these technologies create opportunities for millions who lack access to traditional banking services. By leveraging smart contracts and distributed ledger technology, DLT, transactions are recorded securely across multiple locations simultaneously, ensuring transparency and trust. As we move forward, the potential for blockchain to democratize finance becomes even clearer with each step taken towards wider adoption of DeFi solutions. Tokenization on blockchain is transforming global trade by cutting out intermediaries. With tokenized assets, every transaction is recorded securely across multiple locations simultaneously. This transparency reduces fraud and speeds up processes like settlement. Consider how this technology streamlines international transactions, making them faster and cheaper than ever before. Blockchain's efficiency gains are significant. The elimination of middlemen cuts costs dramatically. For instance, a study shows that blockchain can reduce trade finance costs by 25%. These savings ripple through supply chains, benefiting businesses worldwide. As we see how tokenization is reshaping global commerce, let's explore another critical aspect: smart contracts and their role in decentralized finance. Blockchain's influence on finance stretches far beyond cryptocurrencies. Asset tokenization is transforming traditional financial systems by leveraging blockchain's transparency and immutability to eliminate intermediaries, streamlining processes like settlement. Consider Ethereum. Joseph Lubin has highlighted its potential to revolutionize global finance through decentralized applications that go beyond speculative trading. In addition, Web3 and DeFi are disrupting conventional banking practices with smart contracts, creating a more inclusive financial ecosystem where anyone with a smartphone can access services traditionally out of reach for many around the world. This shift not only enhances efficiency, but also democratizes finance by reducing barriers to entry. As we look ahead, blockchain's evolving role will continue reshaping how assets are traded and recorded globally, setting the stage for an even more integrated digital financial landscape. Blockchain technology is quietly reshaping traditional finance by eliminating intermediaries through transparency and immutability. Take asset tokenization, for instance. It streamlines processes like settlement, reducing complexity significantly. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is another subset of Web3 that uses smart contracts to innovate on traditional financial systems. This disruption enhances financial inclusion, making services accessible with just a smartphone. To learn more about how blockchain continues to transform the landscape and share your thoughts on this quiet revolution, subscribe for updates and join the conversation in the comments below. Sources for today's video are linked in the description.